All right, guys, we're going to do our number talk for today. This number talk, we are going to continue talking about making 10, but it's going to get a little bit harder today. Addison, can you go over there and point to the add-ins that make 10? We have 1 plus 9 equals 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Addison's pointing to 5 plus 5 equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. And you have to memorize those to remember the numbers that make 10 every time. And then when you're adding, when you find these numbers, it's going to make your adding a lot easier. Okay, Addison, cover it up with the book, and let's see if we can remember these add-ins that make 10. Easton, I love your thumb. Give me one.
9 and 1.
9 and 1. Gavin.
3 and
3 and 7.
9 and 1.
We got 9 and 1. And we got 3 and 7.
4 and 6.
4 and 6. 5 and 5.
3 and 7.
You got that one.
2 and
2 and 8, or 8 and 2. Good job. All right, Addison, let's check. I think we got 5. Yep, we did it. Good job. So today we're going to go in category 2. Category 2 is a little bit more difficult because sometimes you're going to be able to find two of those that will actually make 10. So you won't just be adding, oh, this and this makes 10. It's going to have 4 digits in the problem, okay? All right, let's see who can do this one. Remember, you know the problem, where do you put your thumb? Wow, look at those quick thumbs. Means you must be getting it. All right, Marley, how did you do it?
20. And I know that 8 and 2 makes 10 and 6 and 4 makes 10.
So she did use the making 10 strategy. She knew that 8 and 2 made 10, so that was 10. And then she knew 4 and 6 made 10, so that's another 10. And it's easy to know that 10 plus 10 is 20, so that's how she knew it was 20. Did anybody get it a different way? Did anybody do it differently? Anybody do it? Claire, you did it differently?
Yes. I saw the 4 and the 6.
Okay.
Well, I looked at the problem and I saw the 4 and the 6. And I knew that that made 10. And the 8 and the 2 made 10, and so I added together and I got 20.
Oh, so she used the making 10 strategy too, except she just did the 4 and 6 first, where Marley did the 8 and 2. So you did making 10 too. Good job. All right, let's try this next one. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's see how quick you can get it. You use the making 10 strategy, it might make it easier. All right, Gavin.
21.
21. How did you get that?
9 and 1 equals 10. And then 8 and 3 equals 11. So 10 plus 11, I added them together, which is 21.
Good. So he said he found that 9 and 1, and he knew that 9 and 1 made a 10, right? And then he said he knew that 8 and 3 was 11, so he added 10 plus 11, and he knew that was 21. Did anybody do it a different way? Jordan, you did.
9 and 1 made 10, and on the other strategy it was 2, so I added it together.
So you knew what Jordan did? That was really smart. He knew that 9 and 1 made 10, right? And then he knew that 8 and 2 made 10, so he knew that was 20, but that didn't say 8 and 2, it said 8 and 3. So he knew he had to add one more. So he still made the 10s because he knew that he had an 8 and 2, but he had one more. So he made 9 and 1 is 10. Then he thought, okay, I can do 8 and 2, that would be 10, and one more would be 11, or if he grouped those 10s, it would be 20, and plus one more would be 21. All right, here's our last one for today. Let's see. Oh, RJ, I haven't showed the problem yet. You're that confident. Here we go. Don't put your thumb up till you know the answer. Kennedy, can you do it? 24? Anybody agree? How'd you get that? Did you just take a guess, you think, maybe? Mason, how'd you get it?
20.
What's the answer?
20.
Oh, I agree with that. How'd you get it, Mason?
I added 5 and 5 and 6 and 4.
Wow. So what's 5 and 5?
10.
What's 6 and 4?
10.
What's 10 plus 10?
20.
20. So he used the making
10
strategy. Y'all are getting really good at this, and I'm telling you, the more you learn to do this every day, it's going to make adding even easier. So y'all pat yourself on the back. You did a really good job. All right.
Right.